The job description of a content manager revolves around planning, creating, editing, and overseeing content strategies that align with an organization's brand voice, marketing goals, and audience expectations. These professionals play a central role in shaping how businesses communicate across digital platforms, including websites, blogs, social media, email campaigns, and more. Whether working in-house or within an agency, content managers are responsible for ensuring that every piece of content is compelling, consistent, and effective in delivering its message. Content managers collaborate with marketing teams, graphic designers, writers, SEO specialists, and developers to bring content ideas to life. Their aim is not just to produce content but to build engagement, boost visibility, and support business growth through well-researched, well-written, and well-structured information. From editorial calendars to performance analytics, content managers are involved in every phase of the content lifecycle. At its core, the job description of a content manager emphasizes leadership in content creation and strategic planning. They must combine creativity with analytical thinking, writing skills with project management, and digital fluency with brand awareness, all to ensure that content speaks clearly and convincingly to its intended audience. Primary responsibilities of a content manager. One of the main responsibilities of a content manager is to develop a comprehensive content strategy. This involves understanding the target audience, defining key messaging goals, and identifying the types of content that will best serve those objectives, such as articles, videos, infographics, case studies, or newsletters. Content managers oversee the editorial calendar, planning when and where content will be published. They coordinate with writers, editors, and designers to ensure deadlines are met and that content is delivered on time, in the correct format, and in line with brand tone and style guidelines. Quality control is a central part of the role. Content managers review and edit all published content for accuracy, clarity, grammar, and alignment with brand values. They also ensure that all material complies with legal standards, including copyright laws, usage rights, and data privacy regulations. Search engine optimization, SEO, is another critical aspect of the job. Content managers collaborate with SEO specialists or apply their own knowledge to make sure content is optimized for search engines. This includes keyword research, meta tag creation, link building strategies, and performance analysis. In many organizations, content managers also analyze metrics to evaluate how content is performing. They use tools like Google Analytics, SEMrush, or social media insights to measure engagement, traffic, bounce rates, and conversions. Based on these insights, they refine strategies to improve performance and achieve marketing goals. Content managers are often responsible for managing a team of content creators. This includes hiring, training, assigning tasks, and providing feedback. They may also manage budgets, content management systems, CMS, freelance contracts, and third-party content vendors. At this midpoint in understanding the role, it's evident that the job description of a content manager is multidimensional, involving strategic planning, team coordination, technical oversight, and content quality assurance, all in support of a consistent and engaging brand message. Essential skills and qualities for the role. Strong writing and editing skills are essential for a content manager. They must be able to craft clear, engaging, and grammatically correct content that aligns with the brand's voice and resonates with the target audience. Equally important is the ability to review and improve the work of others. Project management is a critical skill, as content managers often juggle multiple campaigns, deadlines, and contributors simultaneously. They must be organized, deadline-oriented, and capable of coordinating tasks across departments. Creativity and storytelling are at the heart of effective content. Content managers must be able to identify engaging angles, brainstorm fresh ideas, and develop narratives that educate, inform, or entertain while still achieving business objectives. Digital literacy is key, especially familiarity with content management systems like WordPress, HubSpot, Drupal, or Joomla. A working knowledge of HTML, CSS, image editing tools, SEO plugins, and web analytics software is often required. Analytical thinking allows content managers to interpret data and make informed decisions about content performance. Understanding user behavior, tracking KPIs, and adjusting strategies based on analytics are essential to maintaining relevance and impact. Leadership and collaboration skills help content managers guide their teams effectively. They must be able to mentor junior writers, resolve creative differences, and foster a productive, creative environment. Adaptability is vital in a fast-paced digital environment. Content trends, algorithms, and audience preferences evolve rapidly, and content managers must be open to change, eager to learn, and ready to adjust their approach accordingly. Brand understanding is also crucial. Content managers are the voice of the brand across various platforms, so they must deeply understand the organization's identity, mission, values, and messaging to maintain consistency. Work environment and challenges. Content managers typically work in marketing departments, creative agencies, media houses, or tech firms. Their roles may be office-based or remote, with increasing opportunities for hybrid work models. The job often involves collaboration with cross-functional teams, including sales, design, product, and customer service. One of the key challenges of the role is managing a high content output without sacrificing quality. Deadlines can be tight, and last-minute changes or requests are common, requiring strong time management and problem-solving skills. Another challenge is keeping up with changing algorithms, audience behavior, and digital marketing trends. A successful content manager must continuously study industry developments and apply best practices to stay ahead of competitors. Balancing creativity with strategy can also be complex. While it's important to produce innovative content, it must always align with business goals and target metrics. Finding that balance requires critical thinking and experience. Despite these challenges, the role offers immense satisfaction for those passionate about content, communication, and brand storytelling. Content managers play a vital role in shaping public perception and driving engagement through the power of words and visuals. Educational requirements and career path. Most content manager roles require a bachelor's degree in communications, journalism, marketing, English, or a related field. Some employers may prefer candidates with a master's degree in content strategy, digital marketing, or business administration. Practical experience is highly valued. Many content managers begin their careers as copywriters, content writers, social media specialists, or editorial assistants. Over time, they gain experience in SEO, content planning, and analytics, eventually moving into managerial roles. Certifications in content marketing, SEO, analytics, or project management, such as those offered by HubSpot Academy, Google, or the Content Marketing Institute, can enhance credibility and job prospects. With experience, content managers may advance to senior roles such as content director, digital marketing manager, or head of communications. Others may specialize in areas like video content, UX writing, or technical documentation. Conclusion. The job description of a content manager highlights a dynamic and influential role at the intersection of creativity, communication, and strategy. These professionals are responsible for shaping how audiences perceive and interact with a brand through meaningful and effective content. For individuals who are passionate about storytelling, organized in their workflow, and strategic in their thinking, the role of content manager offers a rewarding and impactful career path. By bridging ideas and execution, content managers ensure that every message not only reaches its audience but leaves a lasting impression.